Hi everyone, we're
Apeksha.
and Navya, and this is Hostels versus Hotel. In this video, we explored 4 properties. So, the first place we stayed at was a homestay called Kochil. It had a good rating. It was located a bit inside. We weren't comfortable with that since we'd have to come back alone at night. We went during off season, which is why there was nobody when we got there.
The homestay seemed pretty chill. It was cool inside the property. It had a nice terrace which served as a common place for everyone to hang out and interact. We would have definitely stayed here during season as it's usually fully occupied and vibrant.
So here's the washroom. Washroom seems clean and nice. It's not bad smelling or anything. I think washroom is fine. Decent. So we're the only ones who are staying here tonight and that doesn't feel safe. So we've decided to shift our stay and we'll be staying in a hostel, bunkhouse, in a female dorm. So I'm actually very tired. So yeah, very tired, but we will shift now. But the host was really kind and gave us a discount on our booking. He apologized for the hostel being empty, even though it wasn't his fault. He also got us an auto so that we could travel with ease. Here's our rating of Kochil. So the location was a bit isolated, hence we gave it 3 on 5. It was kind of clean, but not the best, so 3.5. The check-in was very easy. He let us rest first and then finish the formalities. It wasn't very work-friendly as there was only a tiny table in the congested space. The common spaces were pretty good and lots of space to chill. The kitchen was super clean and big too.
Kochil's overall rating is 3.75.
The second place we stayed at was a hostel called Bunkhouse, which was a 300-year-old Portuguese villa converted to a hostel.
They had private rooms on the ground floor which had long corridors to take you there. The rooms looked clean and decent and had attached washrooms with each one. On the first floor we had dorms, a common space, common washrooms and a kitchen. There were instruments for you to play and books for you to read in the common spaces. I really liked the space as there were big and beautiful windows from where you could watch the street below. They have a 12-bed mixed dorm with 8 beds in one room and 4 in a separate connected room. The 8 beds were placed well, but the 4 beds were in a damp and suffocating room, maybe because of the monsoons. Each dorm room had a locker per bed. They had a cute kitchen cum dining area in which you could cook if you'd like, and also order snacks like tea or coffee and bread items. The kitchen had a nice vibe in the evenings when the fairy lights would be on. Hi.
Hello. So today we're staying in Bunkhouse in a female dorm and it's pretty good. It's so cute. Got this painting behind me. There's space to keep your stuff like allotted trunks, and yes, I'll just get my suitcase here. And my camera ran out of charge, so that is being charged at this plug point here. It's so cozy. So Peksha and I are using this bunk, me in the lower bunk, Peksha in the top bunk. And it's so nice, the AC is working so well, and oh, a mirror. The washrooms were lined up in a common space with one common sink. Here's our rating of bunkhouse. It was located on Peterselly Street, which is a main street in Fort Kochi. The popular cafes and grocery stores were walkable from there. Bed sheets, pillows and blankets were pretty clean in bunkhouse, but the floors were a little dusty. The toilets were pretty clean, but could have been better. The check-in process was super easy and did not take long. The private rooms did not have a table and chair for working, so working would be possible from a common space, but you don't get the complete privacy to attend a meeting. The kitchen was a little cramped to cook something yourself, but the dining space was nice where you could order something. The overall rating of bunkhouse is 4. मेरा सिर लग रहा है sloping roof. Cute. It's cute. Bye. अच्छा आपको बंक है मेरा बहुत नीचे. कभी कभी ट्रैवल करके कितना एग्जॉस्टिंग लगता है. ऐसा लगता है हम क्यों करते हैं ये सब. नहीं फन भी है, बट फिर ऐसा लगता है कभी कभी कि बहुत लग्जूरियस रूम्स होने चाहिए ताकि रिलैक्स कर सको. That's all for now. Stay tuned for part 2 where we review the remaining 2 properties.